With this video, we're going to go over adding and subtracting fractions. Remember, when you're adding and subtracting fractions, you have to have a common denominator. A lot of people get stumped over this. A lot of people make this hard, but it is so easy, and I'm going to show you. All right, so let's say we have two fractions and we want to add them together. Right, we're going to have, lift the weights. We have 1/2 plus 1/5. Okay, the denominator is not the same. We got to make the denominator the same. Now, I'm gonna rewrite this up here. 1/2 and 1/5. Okay, so the way to find a common denominator, you have to find the least common multiple, and by doing that, you'll eliminate a whole bunch of steps. But just to make this easier, we're gonna do something I call a butterfly method. And what that is you take, so we're gonna have our fraction. Okay, and we're gonna make a butterfly. So this is a wing right here, and you multiply the wings. So we got 1 times 5 is 5. Then we make another wing right here. We got 2 times 1 is 2. And then we just multiply the denominator. 2 times 5 is 10. Okay? So now we have 7/10. Simple. Okay? Don't forget that. That is so easy. All right, let's do another one. Let's do 1/4 plus 3/8. Okay? So we're gonna do our butterfly. We're gonna do this wing right here, multiply the wings. Got 1 times 8 is 8. And then we got plus. And then we got 4 times 3 is 12. And then we just multiply the denominator. So we got 8 times 4 is 32. So we have 20/32. Now, usually they're gonna ask you to reduce this. So we're gonna multiply, or we're gonna divide by the greatest common factor. So the greatest common factor between 20 and 32 is 4. So you're just gonna divide by 4. So we're gonna get 5/8. Okay, see how easy that is? Let's do subtraction. All right. Now remember, subtraction does not have a commutative property. You cannot move things around. You have to keep it in the order in which they were written. Okay, you cannot move things around. All right, so this is how we're gonna do it. Let's say we have 1/2 minus 1/3. Okay, now it's gonna be the same way, except with our butterfly, we're gonna start on the right to make our wing. All right, so that's 3 times 1, and then you go to the left, and then you go 2 times 1, and then you multiply the denominator out. So you're gonna get 1/6. All right, let's do another one. Let's do 5/8 divided by, 5/8 minus 1/3. Okay. We start on the right. So we go 3 times 5, we got 15 minus, and then we got 8 times 1. And then we just multiply the denominator out. So we got 15 minus 8, so we get 7 over 24. That's our answer. Okay, you can't reduce this anymore. 7 is a prime number. All right. Let's do one more. We got 1 over 3 minus, let me see. Let me throw a little monkey wrench in the machine. We're gonna say 7 over 8. Okay, same thing. Start on the right. So we have 8 minus, and then we do the left. 3 times 7. So we got 8 minus 21 over 24. Okay. Now don't freak out. All right. Do not freak out. We got 8 minus 21. So we're gonna get a negative number. That's all it is. We're just gonna get a negative fraction. So we're gonna get let's see, 11. We're gonna get 13 over 24. But negative. See how easy that is? If you follow the rules, you'll get to the right answer all the time. The problem with math is a lot of people go too fast and then they make simple mistakes. I call it leaving money on the table. Never leave money on the table. Get all of your money, all right?
Money, 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 money.